Hey y'all, it's Kayleigh and I'm here with Brylee. And today we're playing a trivia game where we have no idea what the answers are, but we're gonna have to like write the answer on paper. And if we get it wrong, then there's something nasty in these plates and we have to eat it. Yeah, we have water and spit bags and towels, and we're just like really scared because I don't want to throw up. So yeah.
Name one book written by Charles Dickens.
I don't freaking know. I know. What the crap? I really don't want to get this wrong. Okay. 1, 2, 3. He writes Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
It was A Christmas Carol with Scrooge.
Who even is that?
He wrote Matilda.
We're not smart. Okay, I just touched something. What? It was like dog crap.
You can do it.
I can do it. I can move it.
I can't. It looks like dog food. Can I do something embarrassing and say it? I'll take this bite.
Oh no!
I do too.
You've never tried that.
That was good. I'll just taste the chip.
It tastes like, literally tastes like barbecue. You like barbecue nachos? Kayleigh! Eat it.
Open our mouth.
You have to eat it.
Who is on the $10 bill?
Crap. I don't know. Why do y'all do this stuff? Why do y'all do hard stuff? Crap. What? I don't even know but 2 presidents' names. He has a bobblehead. He's the one with the big head.
Another hint.
Oh wait, I know.
Was I blinking a president?
Yes, he is. What's your grade now? I mean, what's it called? History.
She doesn't have it.
59. 1, 2, 3.
George Washington.
Was that wrong?
No.
Alexander Hamilton.
Ah!
That's heavy.
Oh.
I call this one. Probably sounded like that. Can we just get this one? Because it's going to take 10 minutes for me to actually try it. I don't care about other people. I care about myself throwing up.
Okay, you Name 2 movies Jennifer Lawrence is in.
I know it.
Hunger Games and Mockingbird. Sweet Home Alabama. You are wrong, Brylee.
She was in that.
No,
She was in. Who was that girl in Sweet Home Alabama then?
Dakota Fanning and Reese Witherspoon. Try the.
It's good.
It's soggy.
You're being so dramatic.
I really am. I can't play this anymore.
Name 2 famous people from Mississippi.
2 famous people from Mississippi.
Okay.
I know this. Oh, girl, I got this. Do they still have to be alive? 3.
Elvis Presley and Trent Harmon.
Oh my gosh, twins!
What amendment gave women the right to vote?
Are you serious? Seriously right now?
1, 2, 3. 13th and the 9th.
Incorrect!
I'll eat that.
What the crap?
This one.
Who defined the laws of gravity?
Okay, stop. I know. Wait.
I'm not ready.
So you
It's
got
Ozzy.
Alright, I'll try this one now. What?
I need drink.
Okay, so that was it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Deuces.